Hi, I'm Barry Feynman, creator of Barry's Restore It All products, and I'm excited to demonstrate for you today the unique quality of our Copper Patina repair kits. This is our small area repair kit. This kit here will do about 4 square inches. This larger kit, this is our Homeowner's version, will do probably 2/3 of the sink that we're looking at to do today. So here, if you follow me down, we're going to look at a fine example of a beautiful copper sink with an oil rub finish, and we're proud to be able to do a restoration on one of these fine pieces. Okay, now I want to share with you the contents of each of these kits. So we're going to be addressing this damage in this oil rub finish. To achieve an oil rub finish, we have a specialized chemical which will give it a brown to black finish when we're done here, and you'll see the process happen. We have an applicator sponge which we blot into here, and we use that to apply the acid, if you will, to the surface. We want to prep the surface to make sure it's very clean. So we have a little scrub pad that comes with this kit. In the small area repair kit, we have a small bottle, a 1/2 ounce bottle of the patina gel. In the larger, we have a 2 ounce bottle of the patina gel. Either way, we put it in a small dish like this or a bowl to hold it while we do our application. We also have a towel. Our microfiber towel does our final buff and clean at the end. This is a gel, acid, so we do want to make sure we have plenty of protection on our hands when we're applying the acid. At the end, we have a brown wax. This wax is used to enhance the surface repair and protect the finish. So it's always good to use this same wax in a larger volume for the entire basin as a maintenancing product. When we add heat to this process, it speeds up the results. So we're going to bring in a hair dryer. The only thing you need to bring to this party is a blow dryer or a hair dryer, and everything else is in the kit. So I'm going to demonstrate how we do this. Let's get started. So, as I mentioned, first thing we need to do is prep the surface and make sure the metal is clean prior to any repair. So in our product here, we have a little pad, a dry erase pad, and we just want to make sure that we clean the surface and brighten up the metal. Put that down. Now we introduce our heat. Now the heat is important because it facilitates the speed of the chemical. We don't want to overheat it. I'm going to start over here on this side, and as you see, I'm blotting the sponge as well. Just put a little bit of chemical on here, and while I'm working on this, I'm going to blot this. And we're going to see how the heat works. So the heat, we're going to add. See now the color's coming? You see the color? A little bit more. And what we're doing is building up color. When we accomplish or achieve the color that we want, then we can use fresh water to stop the process. Okay, I'm going to leave this for the now and come back over here. Okay, so now we're going to introduce a little bit of water just to cool down the surface and check out our results. Now, these repairs will tone down as well. So if I want to, again, add a little bit more. So what we've done is actually chemically change the composition of the copper. The acid reacts with the metal. It's not a color on top of the copper. It actually changes intrinsically with the copper. So it's permanent. Included in every kit is Barry's brown wax. This wax is specially designed to bind with copper elements. So it's designed for copper sinks and bronze and oil rub finishes on hardware and such. We're going to go ahead and take a little bit of the contents of this. Now again, this is done best when it's warm. So if the surface is still warm, we can use this. Otherwise, take our hair dryer. Just add a little bit of heat. And we're just going to rub it in like a shoe polish. And after a few minutes, If you want it to gloss, you buff it. Let it sit there 20 minutes or so, then you can buff it. If not, we just go ahead and do this. And there it is.